Hey tech enthusiasts! Your daily dose of tech this Thursday is here at DawentsIT. We inspire to deliver. Your daily dose of technology news, June 4, 2026. Delivered by DawentsIT with the biggest updates shaping tech today. 1. The AI boom depends on semiconductors. AI chip demand exceeds supply while TSMC expands capacity amid volatile semiconductor stocks. 2. Cybersecurity takes center stage. New U.S. AI cybersecurity frameworks, executive orders, and global fraud disruption efforts emerge. 3. AI regulation accelerates. White House supports innovation and security, protecting AI IP and promoting private sector growth. 4. European Union tackles data center impact. Setting energy efficiency standards as AI challenges computing, energy, and infrastructure demands. 5. AI race intensifies. Microsoft rivals Anthropic amid shift to agentic AI and enterprise software automation. 6. Semiconductor stocks reality check. Broadcom's outlook triggers sell-off as market seeks true AI beneficiaries with cautious optimism. 7. NVIDIA expands AI beyond data centers. New PC chip strategy enables local AI workloads, reshaping the PC computing market. 8. Memory chip demand soars. SK Hynix's U.S. listing plans highlight critical memory bottlenecks for AI infrastructure. 9. Quantum computing in spotlight. Quantinuum debuts on Nasdaq. Investors focus beyond AI on quantum and advanced semiconductors. 10. AI companies expand globally. Anthropic grows in Singapore, T-Mobile Tech Center in India. Global AI talent competition heats up. Summary. Tech evolves fast with AI at its core. From chip shortages and cybersecurity breakthroughs to regulation and global expansion, stay updated and stay inspired. Read more on DawentsIT.com and follow us for daily tech news and insights. www.DawentsIT.com